video, guys, I'm gonna show the real to video. Go to Google and search font. Search like that font. Search font. And then you're gonna see the Lingo Jump. Here's this. We have this, and then you're gonna see it. With a casually time. Wait a second. Search way, and another way to get this. You want to get this, and then and copy. Click copy, and you're gonna see here. Do you want that? And just wash yourself. Hi. Going. Thank you, sure. Welcome to Lingo Jump. Parang bayo. Thanks po. Parang bayo. May sinerge siya.
Diyan ka na lang. Sino yan?
Sinerge si Mami Rad.
Umuulan po sa inyo.
Sabi yung gawad niya. Parang bagyo.
Umuulan po dyan ngayon.
And then this one, let's try this. Hard.
Tinanong mo kung umuulan.
Let's copy this. Select all. Cap. Ama, tingnan mo tayo. Naguga ako na phone. Tingnan mo to. Diba? Pumunta ako sa text phone. Tapos, pumunta ako dito, diba? Tapos, ito. Tapos, ba't ganyan yun, sis? Kaya ito, ba't ganyan yung ay? Ba't ganyan yung Asapia? Ba't ganyan yung Ray? Kasi ito ginamit ko. Look another way and go here and go here and search high, and then you're gonna see that and click it again and like that and search and click copy, and you're gonna see here and you're gonna see here. Look at that. So cool. Try now. Try it now. Mom.
Ah. Sarap. Saan kayo pajama? Maan yung ulam. Bakit mo? Ah,
Tubig! Tubig kaya, wala kang tubig.
ito muna.
Tubig!
Ayun oh.
Let's start this way. Get started! When's your birthday? Ilan yung birthday ko? Ilan birthday ko?
May one.
May one? This is one. Turn one. May. I said an A. Tapos, ano, 2024,
2020?
2020 ako na, ano, lumabas. Set up. Tapos, font. Turn it out. And then the next one. Okay.
Ulo ka.